Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendz TV. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Geely Cityray, one of the most talked about compact cars of the year. Geely has been making waves in the automotive world with its innovative designs and tech-forward approach, and the Cityray is no exception. This car blends modern styling, efficiency, and smart features, making it a strong contender for city driving enthusiasts and anyone looking for a practical yet stylish ride. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets, cruising on the highway, or just looking for a car that stands out without breaking the bank, the Cityray promises to deliver a lot more than you might expect from a compact car. Exterior. Let's start by taking a closer look at the exterior. From the front, the 2026 Geely Cityray makes a bold statement. It features a sleek, aerodynamic design that's both contemporary and eye-catching. The grille is wide and aggressive, with Geely's signature diamond pattern that adds a touch of sophistication and immediately signals the car's premium aspirations. The headlights are sharp and angular, incorporating full LED technology with dynamic daytime running lights that create a signature lighting pattern, making the car instantly recognizable on the road. The front bumper has subtle sculpting with integrated fog lights, giving it a sporty yet refined appearance. Even at a glance, there's a sense of confidence in the stance of the scarab. It's clear that the Cityray isn't just another generic compact, it has personality and presence. The hood has subtle contour lines that catch the light differently depending on the angle, adding depth and texture to the front end. Even small details, like the chrome trim around the grille and the sculpted air intakes, show attention to design. Moving to the side profile, the Cityray shows off its compact proportions and elegant lines. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette without compromising interior space. Character lines flow from the front fenders all the way to the rear, adding a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The wheel arches are slightly flared, accommodating stylish alloy wheels that enhance the car's dynamic appearance. The side mirrors are aerodynamically designed and feature integrated turn signals, while the door handles sit flush with the body, maintaining the clean lines. The overall side view balances sportiness and practicality beautifully, and it's worth noting that the compact footprint of the Cityray makes it incredibly maneuverable in city traffic and tight parking spots. Even the choice of wheel sizes and tire profiles has been carefully considered to balance ride comfort with handling precision, which is impressive for a car in this segment. At the back, the Cityray continues to impress. The taillights are sleek and connected by a thin LED strip that visually widens the car's rear stance, giving it a modern, high-tech appearance. The rear bumper is sculpted with subtle hints of a diffuser design, giving it a slightly aggressive touch without being over the top. A small roof spoiler adds to the sporty vibe, while the rear windshield is slightly raked, improving both aerodynamics and aesthetics. There's even a subtle chrome trim that runs across the rear, connecting the taillights and adding a touch of elegance. Overall, the rear design is cohesive, stylish, and perfectly complements the rest of the car, making it attractive from every angle. Interior. Stepping inside, the 2026 Geely Cityray surprises with its interior quality and smart layout. The cabin feels spacious for a compact car, with seating for 5 adults and well-cushioned seats that provide good support for longer drives. Materials are a mix of soft-touch plastics, leather accents, and metallic trims, giving the interior a modern, premium feel. The dashboard is clean and minimalist, dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Bluetooth connectivity for multiple devices. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying everything from speed to navigation and vehicle information in crisp detail. Controls are intuitive and within easy reach, making the driving experience comfortable and user-friendly. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped and features a variety of controls for audio, cruise control, and voice commands. There's also ample storage, including a large center console, cup holders, and door pockets, making it practical for everyday use. Even small touches, like ambient lighting, a soft-touch dashboard, and high-quality stitching, elevate the feeling of sophistication inside the cabin. Passengers in the back will appreciate the legroom, headroom, and rear air vents, which aren't always standard in compact cars. Performance under the hood. The 2026 Cityray is designed with city driving and efficiency in mind. It comes equipped with a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine that delivers a lively 130 horsepower and smooth torque, paired with either a CVT automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission depending on the trim. The engine feels responsive in urban traffic, and acceleration is peppy enough for highway merging without feeling strained. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and potholes with ease while still maintaining composure around corners. Handling is nimble, thanks to a tight turning radius and well-balanced chassis, making it perfect for navigating tight city streets. Fuel efficiency is impressive as well, with an average rating that ensures you won't be stopping at the pump too often. The steering is precise and feedback is decent, giving the driver confidence whether cruising at low speeds or taking a more spirited approach on winding roads. Even the braking system is finely tuned, providing consistent stopping power while remaining smooth and controlled. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Geely Cityray is positioned competitively in the compact car segment. Prices start around $16,000 for the base model, which still comes loaded with essential features, while higher trims with added tech and luxury options can reach up to $22,000. Considering the features, build quality, and performance, it offers excellent value for money. Buyers get a car that looks premium, drives comfortably, and includes the latest connectivity and safety technologies without breaking the bank. Safety is also a strong focus, with multiple airbags, ABS, stability control, and advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking available on higher trims. Geely has really made an effort to give city drivers peace of mind without needing to spend a fortune. All in all, the 2026 Geely Cityray is a well-rounded compact car that punches above its weight. From the stylish exterior to the tech-packed interior, efficient performance, and competitive pricing, it's clear that Geely has created a vehicle that appeals to modern city drivers. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or taking a weekend road trip, the Cityray offers a balance of style, comfort, and practicality that's hard to beat in this segment. It's compact enough for tight urban spaces yet sophisticated enough to make a statement wherever you go. If you're looking for a compact car that doesn't compromise on design or features, the 2026 Geely Cityray deserves a serious look. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Geely Cityray here on Trendz TV. It's a car that proves city cars don't have to be boring, they can be efficient, stylish, and surprisingly fun to drive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review. We've got plenty more exciting cars coming your way, so stay tuned for the next one.